Custom questions allow you to ask a question that pertains to your brand within a social auto reply. Answers are stored in Klaviyo as profile properties, which you can use to build flows, segments, and more. Let's walk through how to build one. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Head to the Social tab and select Auto Replies. Select the auto reply you'd like to add questions to or create a new one. For this example, let's use an existing auto reply. After the email or phone collection step, add a custom question. A modal will appear where you can draft your question. You can make this question a quick reply, meaning the customer picks from a set of predefined options, or open-ended, meaning the customer types any response. We often recommend quick reply so you only sync clean data into your account. Next, type your question, like what gear are you shopping for? From there, select the profile property where the answer will be saved. For quick reply questions, you must set additional parameters for your predefined answer set. First, give the answers a label. This is what the customer sees in the DM. Then define a value. This is what's saved to the profile property. You can add up to 3 custom questions in one auto reply. Each will appear after the previous one is answered. Finally, save, test the experience, and see how you've transformed your auto replies. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and head to the description for more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.